Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast for beginners. I'm John, your teacher. Today, we have a fun topic. We talk about what you like to do. We talk about hobbies, we talk about things you enjoy. And we learn English slowly, step by step.
Hi, John. Hi, listeners. I'm excited. I love talking about hobbies. Hobbies say a lot about people.
Yes, hobbies show who we are. And today, we will introduce many simple English words to help you talk about your hobbies. We will learn greetings, numbers, days of the week, objects, food and drinks, and daily activities. Then we mix everything with our main theme, what you like to do. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's start.
We always start with greetings. Mateo, let's say some greetings slowly. Repeat after me, listeners. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Great. Now, let's connect greetings with hobbies. John, how would you greet someone before asking about hobbies?
I say, hello. What do you like to do?
Perfect. Listeners, repeat. What do you like to do? Good. Now, let's practice numbers. Numbers help us talk about how many hobbies we have, how many times you do something, how old you were when you started a hobby. Let's say numbers 1 to 20 slowly. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great. John, how many hobbies do you have?
I think I have 3 hobbies.
3. Listeners, repeat. 3 hobbies. Good. How old were you when you started your first hobby?
I was 10.
Repeat. 10. Good. Now, listeners, repeat this full sentence. I have 3 hobbies. I was 10. Beautiful. Now, let's learn the days of the week. Repeat slowly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Great. John, what day do you like to do your hobbies?
I like to do my hobbies on Saturday and Sunday.
Weekend hobbies. Listeners, repeat. Saturday and Sunday. Good. Now repeat. I like to do my hobbies on Saturday. Good. I like to do my hobbies on Sunday. Good. Good. Hobbies usually need objects. Some hobbies use balls, books, brushes, cameras, paper. Let's practice some simple objects. Repeat after me. Ball, book, camera, phone, brush, paper, pen, guitar. Great. John, what object do you use for one of your hobbies?
I like photography, so I use my camera.
Repeat, camera. And now a full sentence. I use a camera. Good. Listeners, think about your hobby. Do you need an object? Maybe a ball, a book, a pen, a phone? Repeat all objects again. Ball, book, camera, phone, brush, paper, pen, guitar. Perfect. Perfect. Even food and drinks can be part of hobbies. Maybe you drink coffee while you read. Maybe you eat popcorn while you watch movies. Let's practice simple words. Repeat after me. Water, juice, milk, coffee, tea, bread, apple, banana. Great. John, what do you like to drink when you do your hobbies?
I like to drink tea when I read.
Nice. Repeat, tea. Now repeat, I like to drink tea. Good. Listeners, repeat all food and drinks once more. Water, juice, milk, coffee, tea, bread, apple, banana. Good. Now let's learn or review daily activities. Simple actions we do every day. Repeat after me. Wake up. Take a shower. Get dressed. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Go to school. Come home. Cook dinner. Watch TV. Go to bed. Great job. John, now Mateo, where do hobbies fit in your daily activities?
I do my hobbies at night. After dinner, I relax, I read, I take photos, or I listen to music.
Perfect. Listeners, repeat. I relax after dinner. Good. I read at night. Good. I listen to music. Good. Good. Now let's connect everything. Today's theme, what you like to do. Hobbies and likes. Let's ask Mateo. John, what do you like to do?
I like to read, I like to take photos, and I like to listen to music.
Nice hobbies. Let's repeat them. Repeat. I like to read. Repeat. I like to take photos. Repeat. I like to listen to music. Good. Now let's add days. John, when do you do these hobbies?
I read on Monday and Tuesday. I take photos on Saturday, and I listen to music every day.
Good. Listeners, repeat. I read on Monday. Good. I take photos on Saturday. Good. I listen to music every day. Good. Now it's your turn, dear listener. I will ask questions. Try to answer out loud or in your mind. Question 1. What do you like to do? Pause. Question 2. How many hobbies do you have? Pause. Question 3. What day do you do your hobby? Pause. Question 4. What object do you need for your hobby? Pause. Question 5. What do you like to drink or eat while doing your hobby? Pause. Great job. Now repeat after me, slowly. I like to do my hobby. Good. My hobby makes me happy. Good. Perfect. John, let's review everything we learned today. Repeat. Greetings. Hello. Hi. Good morning. How are you? Numbers 1 to 20. 3 hobbies, 10 years old. Days of the week, Monday to Sunday. Objects, ball, book, camera, phone, pen, guitar. Food and drinks, water, tea, coffee, bread, fruit. Daily activities, wake up, eat breakfast, go to school, come home, relax, go to bed. Theme, I like to read. I like to listen to music. I like to take photos. I like to do my hobbies on Saturday and Sunday.
This was great. I learned a lot about hobbies and simple English.
Me too. And thank you, listeners. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep enjoying your hobbies. See you next time.